If you want to update X, formerly Twitter, on a PC, the good news is that it is usually automatic. Since X is primarily a web-based platform, most updates happen in the background, and you do not need to manually install a separate update in the same way you would with traditional software. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to make sure you're viewing the latest version of X on your computer, and I'll keep it simple and fast. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. If the page already loads, you are usually seeing the latest version available to your browser. The easiest way to refresh X is just to reload the page. On most browsers, you can click the refresh icon or press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. This forces the page to load again and often pulls in the newest changes from X. If you still feel like the site is not updating correctly, try closing the X tab and opening it again. Sometimes the browser keeps older page data in memory, and reopening the site can help you see the newest interface or features. You can also sign out and sign back in if needed, especially if your feed, notifications, or layout seem stuck. If you use the X desktop app or access X through an installed browser shortcut, make sure your browser itself is updated. Since X runs through the browser on PC, updating Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you use can help X work properly and display the latest version. To do that, open your browser settings and check for browser updates. Another useful step is clearing your browser cache if X is not loading correctly. Cached files can sometimes cause old content to appear. After clearing cache and reloading X, the platform should pull fresh data from the server. So, in short, updating X on PC is really about refreshing the browser, reopening the site, and making sure your browser is up to date. Because X updates automatically, there is usually no manual update button required. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.